Hello everyone, I'm Em, welcome to TechBlock, and today we're going to be doing the 3,500 subscriber Q&A video that I mentioned in this video right here, which was my 3,500 subscriber $50 giveaway announcement video. By the way, if you haven't entered the giveaway already, by the time this one goes live, maybe you can still enter it, I'm not too sure. But at the time of recording this, it is February 10th, 2018, and currently we have 32 hours left to enter the giveaway. So depending on when this one goes live, that's when the winner will be announced. So you have 32 hours left to enter. The winner will be announced on February 11th, midnight GMT time, so UK time. Convert that to your own time zone if you'd like to. But yeah, at the time of recording this, we have 32 hours left to enter the giveaway, of course. However, I did mention that I'm going to be doing a Q&A video alongside the winner announced video, I guess. So here we go. I asked you guys to ask me questions in the comment section down below, as well as on Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat if you'd like to as well. So let's jump straight into it. Right, so the first question comes from Alex on Snapchat, and he asked me, are you ever planning on making a second channel dedicated to vlogging or training? By training he means training in the gym, so like fitness type of videos, I guess. So I have been planning on making a second channel, I guess, for quite a while. However, I believe now is not really the best time at the moment, as I have kind of a full-time job. It's not really full-time, but it kind of is. Like, my schedule varies quite a lot, so I often do end up working pretty much every single day of the week. Either that being at the job or from home. And I also do go to college at the moment, so my time is very limited at the moment. So that's why you don't see as many videos uploaded on this channel right here, as I am quite limited in time. Since any free time I have, I'm either making a YouTube video for TechBlock, or I'm in the gym. So yeah, in the future I will probably be making a vlogging or fitness type of channel, just if anyone is interested in like my general life or fitness, which I am very passionate about. I've been going to the gym for so many years, I don't even know how long I've been going to the gym. I know I may not look like I've been going to the gym for very long, as I am a pretty small guy. I only weigh around 71 kilograms at the moment. I'm not too sure how much that is in pounds, but yeah, I'm not massive or anything, but I do like to go to the gym. Anyway, that's the question over with for Alex. I hope that answers your question. Probably in the future, just not at the moment. And if any of you would like to actually see me make a vlogging or a fitness channel, feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Maybe I will go around to making one sooner rather than later. The next question comes from the Else Bros 2. Why do you keep bunking off college? So, as I mentioned earlier, I do work a full-time job in a way. And as I said earlier, the schedule varies quite a lot. I do work almost every single day, most weeks. So why do you keep bunking off college? I wasn't feeling very well on Wednesday, I replied. That meant for the Q&A fam, but it's Friday now and you're still not here. And I do work on Fridays, so that's why I'm not there. I hope that answers your question. The Else Bros to Wizlord. Alright, your setup is awesome. I love it. Probably the best setup I've seen. It's so clean with triple monitors and your PC is a beast. Yeah, I love your videos. You deserve more subs. And I probably find, thank you, Wizlord, much appreciated. That's not really a question, but thank you for the kind words, Wizlord. I much appreciate it. We have a comment here from David Yassin. You are a very good YouTuber. I hope you will get over 10 million subscribers, I'm guessing, or views. So you can be bigger. You are the best YouTuber. I just want to be like you. Very kind words from David Yassin right here. Farjad Ali, I hope you become big YouTuber. I love all your videos. Thank you very much. Are you using one table or two for your setup? I'm using one 2-meter table from IKEA. Link it in the description down below, so you guys can go check it out if you'd like to. That's the exact same table I'm using. This is the IKEA Lindmon Black Brown 200 centimeters by 60 centimeters. That's the exact table I have. If anyone's interested, where is 2018 best setup? I will be posting probably a video in February, late February or early March, of kind of a updated setup tour video, I guess. So stay tuned for that. That should do very well. Hopefully it's going to be a cool video for you guys to watch. And as you may have already noticed, there may be a new item on the desk that's kind of got loads of RGB lights inside of it, and some of you may already know what it is, but I will be making more videos about this new PC case in the future as well. Then David Yassin asked again. We have a question from David Yassin right here. What country are you from? And I am from Lithuania. Now, you may have never heard of the place before, as it is a pretty small country. It is in Europe, and it's part of the Baltic states. So if I go on the map right here, let me show exactly where it is. We have Lithuania right here, one of the Baltic states, and I am from the town or city, I guess, of Šiauliai, which is right here. So I guess one of the bigger towns or cities in Lithuania. So yeah, I'm from Lithuania. I've not lived there for many years. I moved to England when I was very young. So I've lived in England for the majority of my life, of course. As you can probably tell by my accent, I probably don't sound Lithuanian whatsoever. When I speak to other people, they think I'm English. And I'm like, no, I'm not English, but thank you. So yeah, I'm from Lithuania. Yeah, I'm sure that answers your question. Will there be a setup video for 2018? Asks Luke W. There will be a setup video for 2018. There will probably be a few of them. As I mentioned earlier, there will probably be one uploaded either in late February or early March. Of kind of just a setup update in general, I guess. And probably another one in a couple months. After that, maybe let's say April or May time, I'll post another full setup tour or update video, I guess, that I'll be showing off all the changes I've made to the setup and stuff. And if you want to know what I'm planning on changing in the setup, I'll leave a video link down below, or you can press the card in the top right corner or top left corner of the screen. That will appear now. That will take you to my plans for 2018 for the setup video. So yeah, I'm sure that will answer your question, Luke W. Right, so I'm pretty sure that's going to conclude this video. For now, be sure to enter the giveaway if you haven't already, and if there is still time, I will be doing another giveaway when we hit 4,000 subscribers on the channel, which I'm sure we're going to hit pretty soon, as since I've released this giveaway, we are currently at, let's check what subscribers we're on at the moment. If we go to this website right here, we have TechBlock, and we are currently at 3,554 subscribers. We are growing very quickly, so thank you very much for the support on the channel. I really appreciate it, especially for anyone that leaves a comment or leaves a like on the videos that I post. Thank you so much. So I'm pretty sure that's going to conclude this video for now. I hope to see you in another one soon. Goodbye.